In a successful joint operation conducted by Thoubal Police and the 33 Assam Rifles, 4 active members of the proscribed outfit KCP People War Group were apprehended from the Yaripok Bazaar area. The operation, driven by intelligence inputs and spearheaded by OC-CDO Thoubal, unfolded under the vigilant supervision of ASP Ops Thoubal. The arrested individuals were identified as Sinam Bijayan alias Mangang Meite, age 38, hailing from Ingorok, Awang Laikai, Thoubal; Angom Ingo alias Apa Singh, age 53, from Nongpok, Sekmai, Ward No. 3, Thoubal; Waripam Jayanta Singh, age 36, from Kamaran, Makha Laikai, Imphal West District; and Oinam Nauta alias Max Singh, age 24, from Modangpok, Khunjau, Awang Laikai, Imphal West. All suspects were found to be actively involved with the insurgent group KCP. During the operation, law enforcement authorities seized a cache of incriminating evidence, including 5 mobile handsets, 2 9mm pistols accompanied by 15 live rounds, 5 demand letters, as well as 20 rounds of 5.56 mm and 4 rounds of 7.62 mm ammunition. Additionally, an A-Star car, white in color, was impounded. The confiscated materials and the arrested individuals have been processed in accordance with relevant legal provisions. A case has been registered under pertinent sections, further strengthening the crackdown on unlawful activities in the region. Meanwhile, amidst a wave of frustration and solidarity, the All Yaripok Dukandar Association, in collaboration with pharmacists and other business stakeholders, organized a massive sit-in protest against the relentless extortion plaguing Manipur's valley by multiple groups. The protest drew a substantial crowd, amplifying the community's shared anger towards the continuous pressure imposed by various organizations, deeming the situation intolerable. Protesters stressed their compliance with extortion demands since the eruption of violence on May 3, 2023. However, escalating demands beyond their means have pushed them to a breaking point. Their outcry reflects concerns about the detrimental effects of extortion on their livelihood and the local economy. The sit-in protest resonated as a unified voice, conveying a clear message: enough is enough. Led by the Yaripok Dukandar Association, the protest shed light on the valley's lawlessness exacerbated by the rampant mushrooming of extortion.